Have you been seeing lemon balm tea all over social media lately? People are calling it a fat-burning miracle. But is it really? What if I told you it's not magic, but it might still help you feel better, sleep better, and support your health in ways that actually matter? Today, we're getting the real story. No hype, just facts, and a little bit of real-life wellness. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love simple, natural ways to support your health, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're diving into lemon balm tea, what it is, what it actually does in your body, and how you can make it at home in minutes. Let's jump in. Lemon balm is an herb from the mint family, but instead of smelling minty, it has this fresh, clean lemon scent that feels instantly calming. For hundreds of years, people have used it in herbal medicine, cooking, and even aromatherapy. The leaves contain natural plant compounds and essential oils that support overall wellness. Lemon balm tea and weight loss. Today, people use it for things like herbal tea for relaxation, stress relief after long days, better sleep at night, digestive comfort after meals, skin-soothing routines, and even natural bug repellent. It's one of those quiet, underrated herbs that does a lot behind the scenes. Okay, let's talk weight loss. Here's the truth. Lemon balm tea is not a fat-melting miracle drink. There isn't strong research showing it directly causes weight loss, but it supports systems in your body that do affect your weight long-term. Lemon balm tea and weight loss. And honestly, that matters more. Digestive support. Ever feel bloated after eating? Lemon balm can help calm your stomach and reduce that heavy, uncomfortable feeling. Gut health support. It contains plant compounds that help lower inflammation and support good gut bacteria, and your gut health plays a bigger role in weight balance than most people realize. Stress plus sleep support. This is huge. When stress is high, cortisol is high. When cortisol is high, fat loss gets harder. Lemon balm has natural calming effects that may help you relax and sleep deeper. Blood sugar balance. Some compounds may help support insulin function and cholesterol balance, which helps metabolic health over time. So no, it's not magic, but it can be a powerful support habit. If you want to try lemon balm tea, this is the easiest way. You'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons fresh lemon balm leaves, or 1 teaspoon dried, 1 cup hot water, optional honey, lemon slice, or fresh mint. Steps: rinse fresh leaves gently. Tear or chop slightly to release oils. Pour hot, not boiling water over leaves. Cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Drink it warm for relaxation or iced for something refreshing during the day. Lemon balm tea is generally safe for most people, but a few things to remember. It can make you feel sleepy. Some people may get mild stomach discomfort. Allergies are rare but possible. It can interact with certain medications, and if you have thyroid issues, talk to your doctor first. If you're pregnant, taking medication, or managing health conditions, always check with your healthcare provider first. Here's the real takeaway. Lemon balm tea will not melt fat overnight, but it can help you feel calmer, sleep better, digest better, and support overall wellness. And when your body feels balanced, healthy weight becomes easier to maintain. Think of it as a daily support habit, not a shortcut. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more simple health tips that actually make sense. And tell me in the comments, have you ever tried herbal teas for wellness or weight goals? I'd love to hear your experience. See you in the next video.